Welcome back viewers, my name is Tanmay Padi and you are watching my channel on the Python playlist. So there is one thing, this video is basically going to be a simple one, there won't be any technical terms or any new thing. Everything which I am going to discuss here you are well versed with it. So let us consider two numbers a equals 3 and b equals 4. So now, in other languages, suppose I want to reverse a number. So the viewers who are watching this and they are well versed with other language also, they know that we take a third variable, store the value in that, and then we reverse it. So can we try that in Python? Let us see. So I'm taking another value less temp and I'm giving temp equals a, and now a equals b and b equals 10. So now when I want a, it will give me 4, which is the value of p, and b will give me 3. So this is one way of reversing, and in other languages you might have seen this and you know it. So is there any other way how we can do it? There is another way. Like I can directly give a equals a plus b and b equals a minus b and a equals a minus b. This will give me a as 3. So earlier now it was 4, so it and 3 and b as 4. So this is one more way in which we can reverse the digit, but this way is quite not that much comfortable because the thing is in this there are lots of bits and lots of variables which are going unused. So that actually creates a not I should not say it is a bad thing, but for a programmer this thing is a bit unethical if you are wasting any variable or any data. So for that, I think there is one more thing which you can do is here you can use XOR operator, and using XOR operator you can get it. But apart from that, there is one more thing. Like we have seen when we assign the value in the previous video also. So here if I'm getting a equals 4 and b equals 3. So this is one more way to get that. And like this you can swap two numbers very easily in Python using giving two different values. Now some might ask that a equals b equals b equals to a. Is it valid in every case? Yeah, it is valid in every case that you can give values to multiple terms at a time, and it is very handy also. But the thing is, there is the background that something else is going on there. You have to substitute the value in a full stack, and then you're getting the value. So now, if we want to get a value using suppose I want to use XOR variable, the thing which I will do is I can straight away give here a equals a wait a second, I need to search where is the button for XOR, and yeah, I got it. And b equals a XOR b, and again a equals a XOR b. So now I'm getting a equals 3 and b equals 4. So these are few different ways. As I said, this is one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So there are four different ways in which you can use to swap two numbers. And this video was totally for fun. As you can see, we didn't discuss any new term, but it was just a fact that for a single way there are multiple for a single result, there are multiple ways in Python, and that is one of the reasons why Python is so much fun when you are learning it. And as a new user, new coder, you are learning this language. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching.